Hey there, music makers! Ever feel like your music studio is a hidden gem in a crowded city? You pour your heart into creating the perfect space for students to learn and grow, but attracting those students feels like pulling teeth. Well, fret no more, because today we're cracking the code on how to explode your music studio business with powerful marketing strategies. Step 1. Unveiling your ideal student. Before we start blasting out marketing messages like confetti, let's dig deep. Who is your ideal student? Are they wide-eyed beginners, strumming their first chords on a dusty acoustic guitar in their parents' basement? Or maybe they're seasoned musicians, itching to shred those solos like a pro. Imagine your ideal student. What's their age? What kind of music are they obsessed with? Are they shy and need a gentle nudge, or a ball of creative energy that needs an outlet? By understanding your perfect student, you can craft messages that resonate with their deepest musical desires. Step 2. Content is king and queen. Now that you know who you're aiming for, it's time to create content that makes them say, "That's exactly what I need." Imagine scrolling through social media and bam! They see a video of you absolutely crushing a mind-blowing guitar solo or patiently guiding a young student through their first wobbly notes on the piano. Here's the magic. This content doesn't have to be Hollywood-worthy. It can be short, catchy social media posts, informative blog articles, or even fun, interactive quizzes that help potential students discover their musical strengths. The key is to be engaging, informative, and most importantly, relevant to your ideal student's musical journey. Step 3. Social media, your music studio's stage. Social media is your chance to shine a spotlight on your amazing music studio. But forget random updates about your lunch break, although who doesn't love food pics? Instead, focus on creating valuable content that connects. Share quick music theory tips, post inspiring stories of your students' achievements, or even host live Q&A sessions where you answer burning questions about learning music. Remember, social media is a two-way street. Run contests and giveaways to get people talking about your studio. Encourage comments and questions. Show your potential students that you're not just a business, you're a passionate community waiting to welcome them. Step 4. Website, your digital music haven. Think of your website as the home base of your marketing efforts. This is where you want to capture those social media followers and turn them into lifelong students. Make sure your website is clear, easy to navigate, and showcases the magic of your music studio. High-quality photos and videos are key. Show potential students your practice rooms, introduce your amazing instructors, and most importantly, make it easy for them to take the next step. A clear call to action, like a sign-up form for a free trial lesson, is like a neon sign screaming, "Come learn music with us!" Step 5. Tracking your success. Numbers don't lie. Once you've implemented these marketing strategies, it's time to see how they're doing. There are tons of free and paid tools available to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and the number of potential students you're connecting with. Think of it like being a music detective, gathering clues to see what's working and what might need a little tweaking. By tracking your results, you can constantly improve your marketing approach and ensure your music studio is attracting the right students. Remember, you're not just selling music lessons, you're selling the dream of creating music, expressing yourself, and becoming the musician you've always wanted to be. With the right marketing strategy, you can turn your music studio into a thriving hub of creativity and help countless students embark on their musical journeys. So, are you ready to rock your music studio's marketing game? Let's do this! Ready to take your music studio to the next level? Don't miss out on our upcoming posts with more practical tips and strategies. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel today and join our community of passionate music educators. Let's make music education more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Until then, keep the music playing.